What's up guys? Today's gonna be more of a kickback day. We have a couple of things to do to multiple of our cars. One thing that I'm really excited for is showing you guys Nick's S14 project. We tried doing a video about it way back, but it just completely flopped. It wasn't that good because we ran out of time and we didn't really do much. So I kind of just scrapped the whole project. Now that you guys obviously seen the SR20 and you guys seen a glimpse of his car, I'm sure you guys want to see some S chassis content. I know a lot of you guys don't own 240s, but it'd be cool to see. So we're gonna talk about his engine, his build. And right now, since it's early in the morning and my E30 is completely filthy and we don't have any water hoses connected yet, I'm having my buddy Andy clean it up and not make it look so nasty anymore. The E30 is all cleaned up, looking really good. I do not know where Martin went. He just took off, but Jeremiah did end up showing up. We have all the gang coming, and Nick is coming with his 240, which we'll be pulling in so we can actually show you guys it and give you guys a full walk around because it's a great car. It's definitely a blank canvas. There's so much to do to it. It's something that I'm excited to see coming.
There you go. Now we can see it.
Pick him up, Martin.
Pick him up again.
Yes, that's true.
You're so heavy. Hello guys, welcome to the next episode. Dude, I'm so happy to see this.
We have Nick's 240 in the shop. He's gonna be pretty much giving a rundown of his build and what he's done to it and his future plans. The only reason that I'm showing you guys this right now, this car's gonna be here quite a bit. We're gonna be doing some content off of it because we wanna show you guys everything that goes on in the shop. And it's obviously a badass car. It's an S chassis and I know a lot of you guys would want that. Even though it's not gonna be too much videos, it'll be our little side videos.
It's my 95, 240 at 6.
Is it a bad bitch?
She's alright. You know, I picked her up after my Miata got totaled.
Right after I installed coilovers on your car?
Yeah.
I'm bad luck, huh?
It was Danny's fault.
Either way, I'm the reason you got this car.
Pretty much. I mean, I've always wanted one. I mean, it looks good. That's like the main part because they're all,
You know, yeah, they're class. I mean, 240. Yeah.
You know?
How much you spent on it?
It was like 5.
Tell the story.
Which story? What about it? Like, which part?
Okay.
The guy? He didn't really know too much about it, you know? So
Yeah.
He was like, we were asking him questions like, oh, I don't really know. And then,
Just 240.
And then so we test drove it, me and Eden test drove it both of us, and we get back and I'm like, all right, so will you take 5? He's like, yeah. Because he offered like originally like 6, right? Uh-huh. So it was like.
You were trying to lowball him just a little bit, and you're like, fuck.
Why do you take that so quick? Yeah, we didn't even know. He didn't tell us much about it. So we were just driving. He was like, yo, is the diff welded? It's all skipping and everything everywhere. Bro, what's happening?
So you pretty much had to figure out a bunch of shit on your own on what's
pretty
been
much.
done.
Still figuring stuff out.
Yeah.
Too, you know?
Either way, the paint job is really good.
Yeah,
Like it's better than my E30.
I think they did it like recently, like before, like when I bought it. Like
Yeah.
literally like a month or 2 before.
It's a drift kit. Just the side skirts and the rear bumper, huh?
Yeah.
There's the front bumper stock.
They probably had the front bumper on before. And then they
I like this kit. I mean, if you could find it poly, it'd be even better.
One that would actually like fit up well.
Yeah. Yeah, we were talking about it earlier. Like,
Fitment's kinda
yeah, the
sucks.
fitment's.
And they
Even
use,
the door, huh?
They use like self tappers to hold it in, so it's like.
Yeah, that's not good.
So,
The interior's pretty cool too.
yeah, everything's good.
I love the
got all my
sparkle you
stuff.
put in there.
Yeah, Sparkle's alright. I might get a bride or something, honestly.
Oh, dude, if you want to sell that one to me, then I'll put it in the keep it passenger in the E30.
Yeah. I mean, dude, I actually do want to get a bride.
We actually did a video of this car before, or we tried to.
Tried.
And it was the rear tail lights or trunk, right? Rear tail lights and trunk.
And the trunk.
You got the JDM one, which is super cool because it has all these crazy JDM little stickers on there.
I mean, this is like
But
the main part,
yeah,
so,
he just left it there,
Yeah.
and this is awesome. It's kind of like wood grain,
yeah,
right?
It looks like a wood grain. It's pretty cool.
It's super cool. So we tried doing a video on that, but it was hot as shit
Yeah.
at your
We
house.
didn't get much footage.
Yeah, we didn't get anything. It was like a 6-minute video. Aside from the build, now that you've talked about it, what have you done so far?
Dude, I've only done coilovers literally just only coilovers and the seat.
Silvers, huh?
And that's all. Yeah.
Silvers are super good. That's what I have in my IS. Let me give you an actual look of the Sparko.
Yeah.
It's
Pro
actually
2000.
really good condition.
Pretty clean. I got some dog hair on it for my dog.
That's normal, bro. And then pop the hood. The headlights, bro, those things are super mint. I remember you did that in my house.
Yeah, the clear
Lenses?
clear lenses with the clear corners.
That looks super
And
cool.
obviously we got the stock ass K24. Got a Nismo
That's dope.
cap from Danny. Gave me that Nismo cap.
Hey, it's not authentic, but it works, right?
Yeah, it still works.
And then we have the Cusco strut bar. That came with it. That's cool.
Yeah, same in the rear too.
This K8 isn't the healthiest. We know that. I mean, how much miles does it have?
210. Just
210,000
210 like the other.
Yeah, it vibrates like dog shit, but I heard these just naturally run rough. But overall, it's a good canvas to just start off. You're doing an SR build.
Well, I have an SR.
So last video, we took apart the head on this SR20. He has a bunch of stuff up there from intercooler piping, downpipe, everything.
Yeah, it's like
But
harness.
he was talking to Jeremiah's engine builder, and he kind of convinced him to go with the KA
Yeah.
and build that thing just because the iron block makes good power. I mean, Jimmy Oaks did it on his Honda Civic, and it was awesome. I don't know if you guys want to possibly buy an SR20 if he ends up selling it. Hit us up or hit him up, see what we can work out. But yeah, so his original plan was to throw an SR20 in there. Obviously, we were gonna build it from scratch, and now you're just like reconsidering, right?
Yeah, I mean, in the long run, dude, it'll be better. Probably a little bit cheaper. Parts
Ks
more
are torquey.
accessible. Yeah, torquey. Once you upgrade the internals, dude, like can hold boost like nothing.
Yeah.
Iron block, obviously. So
He does have a bunch of parts, stacking up for this car. We're just trying to see when, he completes the parts list because he has little bits of everything. And another thing that he has is some subframe bushings that he wants to do, but he wants to get diff bushings and obviously all the arms before we drop that. And that reminds me, Marin and Jeremiah went to go pick up my subframe, which I've had at my grandma's house because I didn't want to take it to my dad's house because I had a bunch of stuff there. So I left it there for like 2 months, but he went to go pick one up because I want to install some 09 bushings on there and pretty much do a refresh kit to tighten everything up. And we're gonna be doing that today. So once he comes out, we're gonna figure out how to take those bushings out and send it off to go get powder coated. So that's super exciting. But back to the 240. What do we have today?
just more.
What we're gonna be installing today for this thing is something that every 240 needs, right? Like this is what everyone talks about. I don't even own a 240 and I know.
Yeah, that's what they were telling me about them. They're like these little bumper support.
From Pro Shop Noble?
Yeah, Pro Shop.
That's awesome.
And obviously, I mean, you can see.
Yeah, they just, how come they do that?
Tabs are broken. Dude, the tabs are broken.
They just tend to break on like all
Well,
240s.
after we put on the coilovers, I went in my driveway and snapped it right here. So I mean, this will like, you put it back there and it like kind of holds it up. Keeps it nice and flush.
Highly recommend every 240 to do this. Like I said, everyone gets these, right? Like everyone. Bumpers off. Actually, it wasn't too difficult.
It's like 10 minutes, dude. 5-10 minutes.
Yeah.
Pretty easy.
If you had the under tray.
Yeah.
Oh, these things are cool. I think they are 3D printed.
Yeah.
The blue lights and everything.
Yeah, I know. Too American, bro. Oh, that's a big subframe, dude.
Fell.
Oh, wasn't supposed to be in there?
No.
Oh, I thought that's why you guys put it there.
No. We just hopped over a railroad track. It's fine.
Hopped over what?
And we got attacked by thorn bushes, and we're like, interesting.
What? Every time we do subframe bushings or diff bushings, it's a pain in the ass and it takes all day to take them out. So Jeremiah, you better have a good plan for this. It's not going anywhere. Oh, 09 diff bushings. They finally sent me some stickers. After I bought the control arms, they did not send me them. I was super sad. They have 2 of them. And these are how the diff bushings are. They're poly with solid inserts on the front. I think they're legit just like a plate, but mostly all poly, which is super clean. I even have a bunch more parts in my little container that I want to do, but I want everything to just fit nicely.
This guy's just ruining his car over here before we even get started. So Danny is gonna go pick up a battery for the drill that we borrowed from his dad. So he's going back to the original garage, and we're gonna hopefully be using drill bits and just drilling into the rubber.
My idea.
His idea. It's pretty smart.
It was my idea.
Yeah. He may look not so smart, but he's pretty smart.
Sometimes.
Oh.
Worked. Nick, you're a genius.
Now that's some tough metal. Well, pretty much now that we have that out, we have to bend this end. So what happened with that one, Marian? I missed it.
Where is?
Everywhere? Is that why you have the bucket under there?
Yeah.
Let's see how good it is. Damn, this is tight fit, dude.
Yeah, I know. I made it tight.
Crazy. Oh man, this is like perfect fit, man. Almost too perfect. That actually fits really, really well. How's it on that side?
Pretty good. See this side, like the fenders, like bent.
For all the S chassis bros watching this video, make sure to leave the link down below if you guys haven't bought one already from Pro Shop Mobile. So huge shout out to them. They make some dope shit.
Currently, Martin and Jeremiah are currently banging the heck out of this thing.
Try and get the bushings out.
And how long have you been doing this for?
Probably about 20 minutes.
Yeah. Well, 15, 20. Those two.
Flowers. I love you.
Vince. Look at that.
You want me to sawzall?
What's the?
Hey, man, I bought you a sawzall, dude. Oh, I got you blades, bro.
Get it.
What do you mean?
Fuck your blades.
So you guys can work together. Aside from the flowers, Marian and I ended up buying Sawzall from Milwaukee. Obviously, Milwaukee has never failed us, and we have everything Milwaukee. So we want to keep to the same brand, and hopefully it works. Is that only wood?
You got that one.
You said it was metal.
The other one that I had was metal, and you grabbed a different one. And I put it
Eden!
down. And I said, that's not, I said metal.
You're fucking
and
thinking
you walked away.
He doesn't want to admit it. He's just laughing. Oh God, that's a beautiful KA, buddy. Tell me if it works. What?
So Jeremiah actually did all the work on this.
He definitely did.
We told him let's jump in. He's like, no. He's that guy that just likes to get the stuff done. So that's why they're kind of hard to get out. They do have like these little ridges here, so it doesn't.
For her pleasure. Obviously not for Jeremiah's pleasure.
Fucking kids, man.
Yeah, he's playing Pokemon over there. He's on his lunch break apparently.
Hey, thank you, dude. Appreciate it. I'm buying pizza.
Toppers, right?
Oh, I mean, I guess because you hogged me, I'll buy you toppers. We're about to be bringing in the E30 because it's gonna get way too dusty and dirty out there, and it doesn't have an engine, so we're gonna have to push it. We were talking because Jeremiah is gonna be bringing in an LS to build here. Having 3 engines here, we're gonna have to figure out how to have them. We obviously want them in the same spot. We have his engine stand right there. So what we're gonna do is we're actually gonna be moving this toolbox around because it's taking too much space.
Oh, right into the dip. Oh yeah, right into the dip.
Got much more space. Oh, I got it dip. Ready? Oh, fuck, bro. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Yeah, you're gonna have space to park your G here.
No, that's fine.
Are you gonna take it for a ride or what? That is my favorite part of the G now. Dude, that's so hard.
Hey, too bad I'll never see them.
Damn, son. The amount of room we have now is still not enough, huh? When we were shooting the last couple videos, it was kind of weird, you know, angling everything, figuring out where everything went. But now that we have this much space, I think it'll be a lot better.
It had a lot more before. Which one are you?
You think you're a funny guy?
You think you're fucking...
I want to notice my dude's gone, brother.
You already think, motherfucker? You don't think the most American motherfucker is gonna be drinking my Mountain Dew?
I'm warning you.
Jeremiah from Massachusetts. This is where we're gonna be leaving off. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, subscribe, and share, and we'll see you guys on the next one.
Me in, swerving in the whip and I'll crash again.